Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I have come up with a different video this week which I don't generally do. So this is actually a challenge video and I have seen a lot of YouTubers doing this. This is sort of trendy these days. This is ugly location photoshoot challenge wherein I went to different ugly looking places and got my photoshoot done. Now, not all the places were that ugly, but yeah, I had to encounter different problems at every location. So here is my version of ugly location challenge, and without further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first location was near the staircase at Nehru Place Market, and there was an old bicycle lying around and there was a lot of kacharas guys and hundreds of people staring at me while I was posing for pictures and my battery died. Anyway, here are the pictures. So I really liked how these pictures turned out, and the bicycle at the back gave that old rustic vintage sort of feeling which I really like. And guys, trust me when I say this, it is so hard to shoot in front of so many people staring at you. Moving on to the second location, which was a construction site in my college. So I went to college for some work and saw this random construction thing going on, and I called my friend and we got some pictures clicked. So this was not at all planned. And since this was not planned, I was not wearing anything fancy, just a random casual dress. And yeah, we got some nice pictures. And there were a lot of dirt lying around, cement, rusted construction items and whatnot. But yeah, we managed to get some pictures clicked. So here are the pictures. So the workers were continuously asking us to leave the place as the work was going on, and we were like, "Bhaiya, 2 minutes or 2 minutes or." And we finally managed to get a few pictures, and I really like this one with a grinding machine sort of thing. I don't know what it is called, but yeah, I really liked how this turned out. And I also had to sit on this rustic pipes to get a picture clicked. And guys, so many college students staring at me and I was posing for pictures. It was awkward. Okay, so the next location is this random battery operated rickshaws, and they are really common in Delhi. So I asked this guy if he will allow me to get a few pictures clicked, and he was nice enough, he was kind enough, and he said कि हाँ दीदी बस मेरी photo मत निकालना. And I was like, okay भैया मैं अपनी photo खींच लेती हूँ. And then I got some pictures clicked, and we were in the middle of the road and the vehicles were approaching from behind. So every time there is a car or a bike or a guy photo bombing the picture, and we were like, we had to wait for 2 minutes for the red signal so that we could get a clear background, clear road. So it was tough, but we managed. So here are the pictures. I loved how this turned out, and guys, it was like a really himmat wala challenging thing for me, as I don't pose like this for pictures on a general basis. So yeah, a little pat on the back there. So the next location was a kudadan, like literally a place where people used to dump their waste materials. So I found this place near Isckon Temple, and I was like, let's give it a try and let's see if it works. And the place was really ugly, you guys, and the tough job was to get some decent pictures because I shoot with my phone and I don't have a DSLR. So मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही मुश्किल था ये. I liked how the vintage looking gate acted as a nice backdrop, and shooting in front of the dustbin was the easiest for me because there were only a few people staring at me, which was okay for me. But ये जो smell थी ना, I was almost dead. बहुत ज़्यादा गंदी smell थी guys, क्योंकि dustbin था obviously. But yeah, I found a rock, mountain, hill sort of thing next to the dustbin and a cactus plant as well, and we managed to get a few more pictures. And here are the pictures. I don't know about you, but I really like them. We also tried shooting in front of an auto rickshaw which was standing outside my college, and I thought it was really cool. So here are the pictures. And I finally managed to get a few nice pictures clicked. So that's it for this video, and I really hope you guys liked it, and let me know in the comments down below if you want me to try out more such challenging and trendy videos. And do hit the like button guys, because it is free, and in this way I'll know that you really liked it. So leave your comments down below and let me know which picture was your favorite in the entire video. Mine has to be the battery rickshaw one. I really liked it. I actually liked all the photos, but yeah, that has to be my favorite. Follow me on my social media and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and don't forget to click that little tiny bell button next to the subscribe button so that you get notified each time I'm on YouTube. Until next time, bye. So the first location was up.
Nope.
So the first location was near this place.
You suck.
So the first location was near the staircase.
Nope.
Moving on to the second location,
Nope.
there was cement, rustic item.
Nope.
So the workers.
You suck.
So ऐसा हुआ and कैसा हुआ? हमसे ना हो पाएगा.